Is all this stuff right here in the front? Okay. Just sign. Okay. Oh shit! I forgot I ordered this much stuff. Just put it right there. You got a lot of deliveries today?
Yeah.
Oh, you got it. Implement, yeah. Okay. Just assign this one right here. Thanks for texting me, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. Alright, hey guys. So today I'm going to be showing you where I get my supplements from to restock the gym. It's called Muscle Foods USA. You basically have to open an account with them, and then you're able to browse and place orders for whatever you need. Let's see, I'm gonna log in real quick and then I'll show you guys. All right, so let's see, show you the brand. Hopefully you guys can see this. Show you the brands that they carry real quick. They do carry a lot of brands, and the price that you'll see right now is not always the price that it really is. You can sometimes call your representative. When you open your account, they'll assign you a rep, and you could order with them, and sometimes they're able to give you a little more of a discount on the price that you see on there on the website. So these are some of the brands. Let's see. I'm going to show you. I'm going to click on one and show you guys the prices. It's kind of bugged up. So they sell everything that you'll find on the Bugged Up website. So here's the pre-workout, and that's the price that I'd get it for. Can be lower, like I said, if you call your rep and see if they can give you a little more discount on it. But I believe this retails at GNC for like $49.99 or something like that. Let's see. Trying to find the regular Bucked Up pre-workout. Not like right here. Nope. So this is one that I used to buy at GNC and would pay like $50. Give it a second to load. There it is. So here it's $24.38. And like I said, if I call my rep, I could probably get it maybe $1 cheaper. So sometimes it's good to call and ask. Let's see, the 3Ds, 3D Energy. So a case of 12 runs $18, and you don't pay taxes on this. So that's the price that you pay. And if you order There's like a minimum order for free shipping, so the shipping would also be free. Let's see. So the Bum Energy, it's really popular in the vending machines. I don't have a photo of it, but I get peach mango, a case of 12, runs me $22.49. Let's see some protein. You could also get like tubs of protein, 2 pounds, 5 pounds, for yourself or for friends or whatnot. So here's 5 pound of R1 casein protein, $44.80 for a 4 pound. Let's see. So mass gainer. I'm not really sure what these retail for on their website or sub stores, but this is a good price. So here we go, like a 5 pound ISO pure, ISO blend protein, peanut butter, $63. And then this one, for whatever reason, the flavor, this one's $56.70 for a cookies and cream. Chocolate fudge, $56.70. And it shows on here if it's available. Maybe a little cheaper. Like I said, just call your rep, ask to see if that's the best price they can do. My rep has been pretty good about giving me a little extra discount on that. It was not much, but it adds up. Let's see what else. Rain, Celsius, anything you can think of. Pretty much the majority they have and they carry. Raw is a real popular brand by Sebum. Like the pre-workout Savage, $33.99. $19 for this one. But yeah, just this is like show you guys the prices that you can get with when you open a wholesale account with Muscle Foods, and their shipping is pretty fast. It's about 2 days once it ships. So if I order, they're only open Monday through Friday. So if I order Monday morning, I'd have it by Wednesday afternoon. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see some more prices or any just questions in general about wholesale accounts. And there is more. There is more supplement stores like wholesale. I also use this other one called Europa Sports. They're also another one that I go through, but a lot of their products are always sold out. So Muscle Foods keeps more in stock, and their prices are different. So, and you also need to open a wholesale account with them. So. Yep, let me know if you guys have any questions about this. Alright guys, we're back for another restock. So in the clip you guys saw earlier, or basically both clips, were from earlier today, and it's just showing you from start to finish what I do on a restock day. Get the products delivered at work, and then at night I come and restock. Showed you guys some of the prices, what wholesalers get them for. So, I like to start with what I know is low in the machine, and then see what else is low and come back and grab. These were low last time. Take these. Let's see. Alright, let's come back for this. This generally takes me about 40 minutes maybe to restock once a week. The reason why sometimes it goes mute, or I put some music over the videos, because they have music playing in here and YouTube copyrights it. So as soon as I get in here, pretty much goes mute. the peanut butter. sometimes I forget I have the membership. That's why. Yeah, because I go to the one next to Little Caesars, the one I told you about. And then when I'm there, I'm like, fuck, I have the other membership. Whatever. Yeah, but not really. Maybe like once a week or so. Yeah. Yeah. You come every day or what? Really? Every day?
When I don't, it's because probably I like wrestling.
Yeah.
I didn't go yesterday.
Oh, okay.
I still like that.
You do wrestling for Camarillo High? Oh, okay. What are you, a sophomore? Oh, okay. All right, cool. This is your homie or what? Hey, what's up? Hey, you want to try anything out or what? What do you want? What do you want? Pre-workout, protein, energy drink, whatever you want to try, bro. Yeah, which one? These are not cold because I just put them on. This one's a little bit cold. This one's cold. Some of these are cool. Yeah, it's new. This one? Yeah. Yeah, sure. All right, man.